Alright sis, so what you need first is these nails. I got them from Amazon. They're ballerina shaped already. So what I'm doing here is I'm going ahead and just put them in order, and then you want to go ahead and just, you know, put them, size them, and then go ahead and lay them out according to, you know, your hands. And there you go. So I do recommend putting them back up, just because, yeah, it's a whole bunch of stuff that can get mixed up, so go ahead and do that. I bought this thing from AliExpress. It's a little nail stand, they call it, and it's magnetic, so the pieces are able to come off. Here I have this tacky gum. It's kind of like chewing gum, honestly. And then you're just gonna put those little dots on each little pedestal, if you will, and just rip it off and just place it right on the pedestal. And you do want to turn the nail things, you know, facing, you know, like that. And then you just want to go ahead and place the nails on there. Don't apply too much pressure because you might not be able to get them off. It's just enough to make them stick. Today's video, I'm using this nail polish that I got from Walmart. It's pure ice. I don't remember the color. I'll leave it in the description bar, but it was about $2. And so the trick here is to actually paint the cuticle going down, just because you don't want the nail to be bulky. So anytime you have an edge, you want to paint it like off, if that makes sense. And so once you paint that, go ahead, don't forget to paint the edge of the nail, and that's it, sis. Now once all nails are painted, I go ahead and remove the little things from the stand and place them under this UV lamp that I got from Amazon for about $18, and you know, just let them bake. While your nails are baking, it's time to prep your real nails. So what I'm doing here is rubbing a little nail polish remover, or you can use acetone all over my nails. And I'm just getting, you know, the dirt and oil off my nails and everything like that. Then I'm going to go in with the nail file and go ahead and smooth out everything. It just makes the glue stick better and it lasts longer when you are applying your nails. So here I'm just using a blank nail to go ahead and push those cuticles back. This allows the nails to look more natural. So it's time to get to gluing, sis. So what I'm doing is taking this Sally Hansen glue, got it from Walmart in a 2-pack for $2, and I'm just placing the glue in the nail, just enough to, you know, coat the nail, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place it directly on my nail while applying pressure. So you do want to apply pressure to make sure that it is a tight fit. And with these ballerina nails, it's skinny like on the top and then kind of thick around the nail area, so I did have to make sure that it was like adhered to the nail. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So go ahead and repeat those steps with the rest of your nails, and boom, sis, it's all good. Sometimes fake nails have little things on the ends. Just go ahead and file those off. And that is it. That is so simple, so cheap, so affordable. Who's going to the nail store anymore? Not me. Thanks for watching.